Bitcoin is showing a projected increase of 2.5% by August 19, based on Gov Capital. To begin, here's a quick look at the recent price behavior. At this moment, Bitcoin is up by 1.1% and is floating near $64,184.40. Let's review some forecast scenarios now. CoinLore expects to see the price drifting towards $63,858 by tomorrow, down roughly 0.5%. Bitcoin may approach $64,150.28 per traders union, a fall of approximately 0.1%. CoinCodex notes it may advance to $64,811.67, roughly 1% more than the current price. Another estimate from Gov Capital shows Bitcoin may move up to $65,805.38, a rise close to 2.5%. To conclude, crypto prediction sees the price climbing to $66,103.68 by tomorrow, which is 3% up from current levels. This is the most lucrative forecast we reviewed. That's the full picture for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. Let's move forward from the outlooks to the quantitative part. From the compiled outlooks, the potential change in price could vary between a decrease of 0.5% and a gain of 3%, depending on the analyst. In conclusion, crypto predictions projects the highest gain with 3% increase in value by August 19. Therefore, you could receive between $1 and $30 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, traders' unions forecast leads with a 70.8% probability of success. Looking across all 5 predictions, I've put forward the clearest consensus path. The consensus view points to Bitcoin trending higher by approximately 1.2%. So, here's the breakdown. Consensus trends point to price advancing by 1.2%. That shift indicates your capital could also experience a 1.2% rise. If you used 1,000 here, the move might show a potential profit of around $12. And the probability of the consensus forecast for Bitcoin being realized is around 58.3%. Here we go. Let's see what kind of short-term moves analysts are forecasting across the 3-day period. CoinLore indicates sideways trading conditions. Traders Union forecasts Bitcoin moving lower. A move higher is suggested by CoinCodex. An upward path is meanwhile anticipated by Gov Capital. The projection from crypto predictions also points to higher ground for Bitcoin. The consensus indicates Bitcoin is on an upward path in the coming 3 days. Looking at the full set of forecasts, most suggest Bitcoin will push higher. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were aimed at the day after. That day is behind us, so let's see how accurate they were. As a result, the day wrapped up at $64,533.20. With this outcome, most analysts were accurate in their forecasts. The forecast with the smallest deviation was from CoinCodex. Time to unpack the outcome. The candle contained 2 forecasts yesterday. For ROI, a few analysts showed profits, with CoinDataFlow leading the positive group at 2.2%. Here's the fact-check summary. All performance data in one place. Today, Gov Capital's accuracy value was with 68.9% forecast probability and 0.3% ROI. Study the table for a moment and see who performed strongest. And now let's see where Bitcoin stands among other cryptocurrencies in tomorrow's forecasts. Forecast comparison places Bitcoin 5th, as Aptos stays at the top with 3.5%. Here we're showing just 5 coins for now, while extended comparisons and extra features are available on my website. That's all for now. The next data drop comes fast, so make sure you're subscribed. Bye, everyone.